सरस्वती शिशुकुंज वघवाला बोरसद. Hello students, Jai Hind. Today's date 7th May, day Thursday. Standard 2, subject maths. Chapter 2, addition. Okay, in a previous video we learned the addition of 3-digit numbers with 3-digit number without carry over using the properties of addition, and I hope all of you understood that method and also remember that properties also, right? Now today we learn about the same thing, but the difference is that today we will learn about the addition of 3-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers with carry over, right? Which is we already learned in a previous videos also, okay, with the 1-digit number and with 2-digit number, that is addition of 3-digit number with 1-digit number with carry over, addition of 3-digit number with 2-digit number with carry over. So today we learn that addition of 3-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers with carry over. Okay, now students, it is not so much difficult if you pay attention or if you see this video very carefully. So it is very easy for you to to know that how to do this type of sum, right? Which we already did in our previous videos also. So it's a little bit same, okay, only the digits of the number will be changed here, right? So first we recall our properties of addition. Yes, the first property is the order of number, right? If we change the order of the number, there will be no change in the answer, right? Second property is the zero magic, right? If we add 0 to any number, the answer remain the same number, okay? And the third property is addition with the 1, right? If we add 1 to any number, we will get the next number in the answer, okay? So let's start our today's topic, okay? And I will explain you this method while giving few examples, okay? So it's a 3-digit number, so first we write here 100, tens and unit, okay? Now while you write this type of sum in a notebook, right, in the second standard for the maths, it's a box note, right? So boxes are already given, so you have to, after writing 1, leave one box, right? Then write the 100, then write the tens, and then write the unit. There is no need to leave boxes here, okay? So after that, now here downside leave one line, okay? For what? Yes, for put carry over, okay? So leave one line here, and then after we write our numbers, okay? So 4, 5, 4, 8, okay? Sign of addition, that is 2. Here we write 3, and here also 3, okay? So let's start the sum. Right? Now, as I told you earlier also, in a sum of addition, always they start the sum from the unit place, from the right side of ourselves. Right? Always start the sum from the unit place. Now in a unit place, which are the numbers are there? 8 and 3. Right? So first count the numbers. Right? 8. Now 8 after you have to count the 3 numbers. Okay, so after 8 count the 3 numbers. So 8 after 9, 10, 11. Right? 9, 10, 11. Okay, now see here. Here answer is in a 2-digit number. Okay, but here downside in an answer box we cannot write these 2-digit numbers. Okay, now first see here, it's a 2-digit. That means this right side number is a unit, right? And this number is a tens. Okay, now see here we put only one number. Okay, so whatever the number which is on a unit place, that number we write here. Okay, so which number is there here? One number. So we write here 1. Okay, now which place? Tens place. Okay, so we put this number on a tens place, right? But here or here we cannot put, right? So we put here on a tens place. Okay, and make a circle on that, right? And it's called carryover. What called? Carryover, right? That means we have to take this number here to here, okay, here to here, right? Now this one is a 4, this one is a 1. Yes, remember the properties. Third number property, yes, addition with the 1. Okay, so 4 plus 1, we get the next number. After 4 which number comes? 5. Okay, so 4 plus 1, 5. Now then after 5 plus 3, so after 5 count the 3 numbers. So 5 after 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we write here 8, right? Here 5 plus 2, on 100 place which numbers are there? 5 plus 2. So after 5 count the 2 numbers. So after 5, 6, 7, right? So answer is 7. So your main answer is 781. Clear? Let's take the another example, right? First we write here 100 tens unit. Okay, leave some space to put carry. Write 4, 7, 6, make a sign of addition. Write 2, then here again 2, and here 5. Right? As I told you earlier, always start the sum from the unit place. Okay, so on a unit place, which numbers are there? 6 and 5, right? So after 6 count the 5 numbers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So what we get? 11. The same, it's a 2-digit. We cannot write this 2-digit number here. Okay, so label them unit and tens. Okay, so unit number we write here downside, and this tens number we put carry over on a tens place, like this. Okay, now see here on a tens place, 1 plus 7 plus 2. Okay, so we have to do the addition of these 3. So first we see here 1 plus 7. Yes, the third number property, we remember that. Yes, so 7 plus 1, 7 after which number comes? 8. Okay, so 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2. 8 after you have to count the 2 numbers. 9, 10. Okay, what happened? Again we get 2-digit number in our answer. Right? Now what we have to do? Write this 0 here, right? And this one is on 100 place. Okay, so 4 plus 1, 5, right? And 5 plus 2, 5 after count the two numbers, 5 after 6, 7, right? So right here 7. So our answer is 701. Okay, let's take the next example, that is 100 tens unit. Okay, leave some space to put carry. Write down here 6, 0, 8, sign of addition, that is 1, 3, 3. Right? Now start the sum from the unit place. Here unit place, which numbers are there? 8 and 3. Right? So after 8 you have to count the 3 numbers. So 8 after 9, 10, 11. Okay, again 11. So it's a unit and it's a tens. So unit number we put here, right? And this tens number we put on tens. Okay. 1 plus 0, it's a 1, right? Property number 2, right? Now, and 1 plus 3, which property? Yes, third number property, the next number we will get. So 1 plus 3, the 3 after which number comes? 4. So we get the 4 in our answer. And 6 plus 1, again the third number property, 6 plus 1, we will get the next number, 6 after 7. Right? So our answer is 741. Right? So I hope you understood this method. Right? With this video I will give you one worksheet, and in that there are many examples of the 3-digit number with carry over. So you do practice at your home. Right? Thank you.